What's up? Danny Hayasaki with Colmonique, helping people do their business better. And today we have the brand new JPL Element TT3-AVANT. And so what makes this thing great? We've talked about JPL in the past, but here, let me tell you a little bit about the Element series. The JPL Element TT3 was introduced back in 2015 and was their first modular headset. In 2018, they developed the JPL Element X500 as the first sustainable wireless DECT headset. In 2019, JPL introduced Element BT500. This is an office first Bluetooth headset with the capability to connect to desk phones, smartphones, tablets, and PCs. So let's start with this case. So in today's world where you have people doing the hybrid work environment, so they're working in the office or they're working at home, this case is kind of a nice thing to have. Most headsets come with a carry case, but sometimes they are just like this, and see they're like very soft and malleable, where this case is nice and sturdy. But anyway, let's take a look at this JPL Element TT3-AVANT. All right, so let's take a look. So there is what you get in the package. Now this happens to be a QD headset. You have the JPL BL053 true plug and play, because if you look at the actual control itself, you will notice that there is no call control button. That means that I can take this guy, plug it in, and it doesn't matter what platform I'm using, it's gonna work. So I can just plug this guy in, because I know there are a ton of organizations out there that do not support their employees to download the headset management software that I stress so often on this channel. But if you're one of those organizations that do not support your employees or your IT departments to download headset management software, this is a great option. So here is the headset. Literally pop out the boom and speaker, and I can change from dual ear headband to single ear. Instead of having to buy an entire headset if the mic breaks, buy the mic. You don't have to buy a whole new headset to keep that person going. And that's one of the things that is unique about the JPL lineup here on the TT3 Element side. And it does rotate, so I can wear it on my left ear or on my right ear, and I know that's important, right? And so look at they fold flat for easy storage in the case. It's got nice headband padding up there, and so this is a very lightweight headset, and that's, this does fold here. All these features are nice and dandy and fantastic, and everything's great. But how does this sound? So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to go ahead and plug it in, and we're going to run it through a series of tests that I do, the typing, the volume at a ridiculous level, from regular level to ridiculous level, so you guys can hear for yourselves. Okay, no headset from any manufacturer that we've tested blocks out all background noise. Let me plug this guy in. Because there is no software, I can just plug it in. I don't have to worry about updating. Plug this guy in and it works. All right, so let's do that.
All right, so I'm back, and so now I have the JPL Element TT3-AVANT headset. And one big thing that you also want to know about these particular headsets is that you get a 3-year limited warranty. So that's not very common in the headset space. There are some headsets that do offer 3-year warranty, but it's not that many. But anyway, I'm wearing it right now. Right now it's on my right side. Test 1 2, test 1 2. So let's do some typing, right? Because that's a big thing. So let's type. Talking and typing. All right, so there you go. So there's the type test, and so now let's get the old TV on and all right. And so from my, what's the decibel level in a normal office? It's around 47 decibels. So let's crank this guy up. All right, so test 1 2. Test 1 2. So that's,
and it takes a lot of work,
again,
a lot of hard work, a lot of hours go into it. It just really upset me that this trophy was disgraced and disrespected.
That's really loud. I'm gonna go louder.
You may have to pull back a few layers.
All right, so you see, so that's pretty loud. The cable's pretty long. So test, test, 1, 2, test, test, 1, 2. So you can get up and kind of walk around, you know, test, 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 test. This is the JPL Element TT3-AVANT. Comes with a 3-year warranty. It's uniquely modular headset system. Doesn't require software, and that's a big deal, especially right now with so many people working from home and IT departments, you know, pulling their hair out, trying to manage all these different devices, and they're pretty inexpensive. But hopefully you like this type of video. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.